You are going to love the 2018 CHR. The Toyota CHR's fresh design make it stand out in the crowd, and the interior oozes with style. The CHR handles like a race car and has all the safety features you'd expect from a Toyota vehicle. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering. Your new ride is just a phone call away.